Okay, Caillou, winter break is over. So are you ready for school?
Oh hell no. I'm not going back to school.
Caillou, please make my miserable life easier by just doing as I say.
No, I am not going to listen to you. So forget about it because I am not going to school.
I said get in the car so we can freaking go to school.
Whoa. Okay. I'm sorry.
That's what I thought. Geez, Caillou. Sometimes you can really be an annoying piece of crap.
Yeah, well, it's not my fault I get targeted by Miss Martin for no reason.
Ha ha ha. You get targeted by your teacher? Couldn't be me lol.
Hey, at least I didn't get fired from my last job because you assaulted your boss.
That's it. When we get home, it's punishment day.
What? But you started on me first.
I don't care. I am an adult, so I can do what I want. Hurry up and get out the car, you piece of crap.
Whatever. Ugh. School should be illegal.
Alright class. Today we are.
Yeah, whatever. Sorry I'm late.
This is the third time you are late. Hurry up and sit down while I put you in your detention.
Ugh. Fine. Oh hey Elmo.
Oh hey Caillou.
Class is so boring, right?
I know, right? Especially when that stupid ginger brat Miss Martin tries to give us extra homework.
Excuse me. Just because you're talking behind my back doesn't mean I can't hear anything you guys are saying.
Well, your teaching is boring, go get a life.
Excuse me. But I don't think you know who you are talking to like that.
Caillou's right. We are tired of your bullcrap. Just let the school give us another teacher instead of your ginger crap.
Wah 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 wah.
Hey, that's not nice. We need a teacher to teach us things that we need on a day-to-day basis.
Shut up. No one asked for your opinion. How are you gonna defend Miss Martin after all the horrible crap she did to us?
Forgiveness is always the right thing to do, but whatever.
Hey Elmo, now that Miss Martin is gone, I want to do something bad.
Really? Well, what do you want to do?
Ugh, I'm out of ideas. Have you got anything in your mind?
I know. Maybe you should pull the fire alarm.
Oh my god, that's a great idea. You are a genius, Elmo.
Thanks, dude.
Well, now that Elmo gave me a genius plan, I am going to pull the fire alarm. This is what the school gets for being a pain in the ass.
Everyone, this is not a fire drill, so this could be real fire. Everyone run for your lives. Wah 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 wah.
Well dang, I didn't know Caillou would actually pull the fire alarm.
Ha. That was so funny.
Caillou, where were you during the fire drill?
Sorry, Principal, I had to go to the toilet.
You are lying. Tell me or else I will check the security cameras.
Okay, fine. I pulled the fire alarm.
Caillou, how dare you pull the freaking fire alarm? That's it. I am calling your dad.
No.
Let's go home, you piece of crap. I just can't believe you had the freaking audacity to pull the fire alarm, you idiot. That's it. You are grounded for 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 3 4 5 6 4 3 2 4 5 6 years. Go to your room now or else it's assaulting time.